This is a really complicated language. We're in Netherlands now for a moment.
It's not. It's not complicated because it's me, Neyman. Neyman is German, me is something else. I told you it's combined two languages. It's English and German. You have to put two languages together and it's
okay, so what is Opeten?
Here it's German. Opeten, I don't know, but it's eat, definitely. But it's
okay, what does that say?
You see? Nee, ja.
Completely unprofessional.
We moved through Netherlands and now we're in Belgium and we're going to buy something to drink. The shop is closed because Belgium is almost like France. And France do not believe in work. Well, comparing to ours, well, ours are not bad. They're surprisingly good. But you can tell the difference, how small yours is and those are big. And clean. Nice. We need to clean ours.
We just came, so look, we have another spider.
Oh no. Okay. There you go. It looks like a book, but it's not a book. It's a wall, and it's Dominica. And we're in the best place so far. We slept in Belgium, and it's a really pretty house, and it's a fantastic lady with great sense of humor. But I need to show you the toilet because it's got some really inventive. Here's a lock. It's a lock. That's a lock, and you do that. You place it like this. It's the stick, and you place it like this, and it's stable. It doesn't open. You cannot open it, and I think it's a great invention, and it should be in every toilet because it's much more fun this way. Hello. Years ago, French and English people escaped from German people, and we'll be doing this again, escaping from this place in 2 days. Right now we're trying to find a place where we're supposed to stay with a view on this nice beach. Ooh, take a look. There was a secret code, and I know the code, and now I have a key. So I open it with a key, and here we come. Okay, it's open. Ooh, okay. All right. Let's see what about this view from the window. Oh,
that's a nice view.
The view is nice. Wow. It's Dunkirk on the 4th floor. We've been shopping, so what do we have?
We got fromage crisps. We got cheese, carrots.
Baby carrots.
Baby carrots. Oh, something stinks here.
Oh,
that's
stinky
the stinky cheese.
You bought the stinky one.
Yeah, that's for me.
I'm not eating that one.
You bought not a stinky
That's
one.
a nice one.
Chicken.
Chicken.
That's
It's
something
for
we
dead
don't know what
bird.
it is. We got more ratatouille and even more ratatouille.
Okay, something else. Enough with ratatouille.
Thank you.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
We're pretty happy. Food. End of the trip. This is the last food we buy on this trip, and we bought the best. Dunkirk today is cloudy and windy, and was huge, terrible rain
Yesterday.
last night.
Yeah.
So if it rains like that tomorrow morning, we're stuck. And we've got a sticker on our motorcycle, because why not? And a pigeon. Why do we want pigeon? I don't know, it just kind of feels right. So there's a museum, and if you like the story about Dunkirk, you probably should go there. There's lots of guns and cars. I love the cars.
Everyday objects that show
amateur movies. It's a pretty good place to visit. Now let's go to the beach and
drink coffee.
Yeah, let's try to imagine what happened 80 years ago. Also, we have seen the money from exactly 100 years ago, actually 99, which proved that inflation was real and it was terrible. There was 500 million marks banknote. It was just one banknote. From 1923, so right now it's 2022, so I expect in a year we'll have a €1 million banknote, and it will be history repeating itself exactly 100 years later.
Yeah,
it will be funny. It won't be funny. And Dominika runs right to the minefield. It's shit.
Yeah, and it says don't outcrab your dog. Look, nice. Oh, 2 earrings. Can you see it? Can you see it? 1, 2. You're drowning. See this prop here? Here? Here?
What's that?
Probably when you dig it, there must be this thing. If anybody knows what it is, do you know what it is?
This Dunkirk beach is incredibly wide. We're in the middle of it. And it's so far in every direction, and it's sand, and it's flat. Oh no, it's a jellyfish, or it's somebody's enormous booger. There's seagulls. They have a meeting right there, and I don't want to disturb them. Do you?
They might be choosing the prime minister of the seagulls.
The beach in Spain is completely different.
What's different in Spanish beach?
Everything. Look, there's something sticking out of the sand, and it's really wide. The birds are the same. We reached the sea. England is right there. There's England. Oh, the crabs.
Oh, it's empty inside. The seagull ate it. Oh, look, I can use this.
As
a chopstick. Here it is. Cannot. That's funny. Okay,
it's a blue one.
And so, where do you from?
We're from Poland.
Yeah.
But we live in England, and we're going to England after 3 months trip. What is that? What is that? Shrimps?
Like that's I will show you.
It's a lie.
This one.
What is it?
And you want maybe to see that's a.
Oh.
Is it alive?
You want to
What is it?
Oxer? Yes, this is alive, and there is something to eat.
You're kidding.
Wow.
And
How do you know
is-
those things?
I'm not a professional. We're begin today. And there is
Wow.
a sole. A sole, yeah.
Oh!
It's a fish.
That's a fish.
You eat it, but this one is too small.
What are those white star-like things?
Star, sea star.
Oh my goodness! Seriously?
It's a sea star. Whoa! It's all alive.
Normally we have another.
Sea star?
Oh,
Wow!
big one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful though. Are you gonna eat it?
Not too small, but big one, yes.
Dominika, look at this.
You have seen that?
No, it's gonna run.
Non, elle devrait bouger. Hein.
Octopus! Ah!
Octopus.
No, you...
Catch it.
Wow! Should I put it here?
No, it's too small.
Uh-huh.
It's too small.
But look!
Look, it's pretty.
Look, I got the starfish on my finger.
Oh, wow. That's almost the end of the trip. We made 10,000 kilometers. We've been in 12 countries. We crossed the border 18 times probably. And it's been nearly 3 months of traveling. We slept under a tent, from Airbnb, hotels, hostels, everywhere. And what else? We've met so many people I can't even remember. A trip like that is amazing, but it's too long actually. I thought I would never say that, but there is such thing as too long trip. It's just too much of an experience. It's like having 20 children instead of 2. You can't even remember their names. Even if you do, you just can't do it because you're just one person and it's too many of them. So I think we should have gone to see 1 or 2 countries at a time instead of 12. We would pay more attention probably. And at the same time, I think we did it the right way. So we stayed a lot in one place. We didn't just ride and ride and ride as fast as possible. Right?
Yes.
And we had time to really experience the people, the food, the place, the weather, the nature, everything. We really did experience it. So it's a really trip of a lifetime.
Oh yeah.
Would you recommend it to someone?
Definitely.
The same thing? Well, fine, yeah. You need a partner who you can trust. Because a trip like that makes you pretty tired and sometimes you're just angry, irritated. Someone can get, I don't know, maybe sick for a moment or two.
It's not easy. That's what you want to say.
It's not comfortable. Actually, it's not so easy to have panic attacks on a trip like that because you have nowhere to go back to. Really, so
well, some people
you can
do.
just
We
go
didn't
forward.
have anywhere, but
We did. Yeah, it's easier for us because we have nowhere to come back to. We can just go forward, which we did. We just kept going, and we kept going for 3 months, and we still are going for 2 more days. Actually, when you come back, life feels really easy, relaxing, because you've been in so much already, and you know that everything is possible. You just need to be patient and work, and don't give up. I know people are panicking when they change a job, or change a place, or change a country. It's nothing to be scared about. People are okay most of the time, even in Europe. Not all of them. Half of them are assholes, but the other half, they are just people. And few of them are amazing.
Yeah.
Incredible. And you want them as your friends. Either way, you just have to go into the world and try new things and find out who is an asshole and who is wonderful. And you can't do it staying at home. So you basically have to travel if you want to improve your life. My life is pretty good already, but I think it can be even better. So I plan to keep traveling every now and then, changing jobs, people, friends, places. What about you?
Same. I like it. I learn a lot. Every time we go somewhere, I learn something new, or I meet somebody that can motivate me or influence me somehow.
Yep.
It's amazing.
So that about sums it up. Also, use a motorcycle. It's cheap, it's fun, it's cheap and fun. And great photos.
Imagine watching it a few years now,
yeah, when I'm old
old.
or fat or something, you would see those photos and oh my goodness, it would be weird. I don't want to think about it. Okay, so we go. Enjoy Dunkirk. Dunkirk. How do you say it in French? Dunkirk?
I don't know.
Look, those birds looked like Luftwaffe trying to bomb something. Like airplanes, ooh, that's scary. That's it. We're in Calais, in the underground tunnel, beneath or underground the English Channel. We're under the English Channel. Well, we're not yet because we're in Calais. And I wish there would be some fish. Also, there's proper English weather. It rains all the time, and there is sun, and there's lots of clouds, and then it rains again and stops, and there's sun, and it keeps going like that. And it's not warm and it's not cold. It's something in between. It's never boring. We're coming home. I repeat, we're coming home with all those people who are really tired or just stiff. Hey, it's dark.
That's it.
There's no fish, that's it?
I think so.
Next time we take ferry again.
Completely unprofessional.
I can see the rainbow.
Can you see the rainbow?
Rainbow is saying goodbye to us. Yep, the end of the trip for this year.